Bramache. Biaboko.
Yankopon Dauroma, Biaboko.
Yankopon Ase. Na I think say my bamba and share the new come.
Yeah.
They say we call 1 month or which 1 month.
Sure.
Which 1 month. Okay. When is a buying sign my bamba to say.
Oh, because so far so good. I'm only praying say you be maintain the steam na yede kono. Na fi said is share Ghana for ball. Team de opepane no credit asum Ghana for. Me de na say was it me boy homodin except an act of God maybe I was it me see kwan. Ante sadia e kwan bia aso. Was it me boy homodin near sum Ghana for ye. Say we be 2028 no. Yes, I cooperate to me be ma wonu mu asem enko bebrebe. Na wonim asem an Ghana for kan baby a wotuma yakwa kudru. Ene gidi a wo sese so mun san enya wo mu no mo nto a wo so. That is the point I'm person see e di Ghana e faso e ko e kudu.
John Mahama betimi aye.
Now no me can say John Mahama is too experienced to be advised because they have seen it all.
Saying
Why a deputy minister, why a minister, why a vice president, why a president. When your opportunity at 8 years, I have a lot of confidence in him. Sir, and you may be in this ABCB. I'm not sure it's ABCB. Because okay, 2020, he was bold enough to say, I'm coming back with my NDC to right the wrongs. But it takes to be a sebi, no credit one fan will be to my judgments. I'll give you a million from so. Now, my home from so me, the most I had 2 minimum be more, Meet me a yenama then, my ye. And this is the reason I'm saying I have a lot of confidence in him. And no, your Babembe Busumino is making sure, say, assembly our catcher Ghana for Biano. Obedi this Odi say, Chinchina Maye, but Odi say a breaker or what to tell. He's trying to make sure say you move with the timelines. So baby, be a bit my head and Akoso Maye. Medina here make a sepa na minim say a game changer for Ghana. And also what 200 amount the national dialogue on the economy. Me and them feel say idea and who here pa because baby a Ghana I do say no. Kodo, we need to sit and plan for this country.
And I'm planning baby.
Kodo baby I was him say if you go by the 8 years will be about no by India na okono and I can't bo ma e dey do baby I den you do say no. Say going forward no ade bit ma save Ghana. Say nyina ye dey ne be hwefa ko. Say chuna se me na me wo ho a. Ye the way let's assume say education sector ahani dey call in the next 20 years. Yeah, economy in the next 20 years this is the part I echo. And you know maybe every 5 years we can even sit and review. Say be ya e be ma a clear focus because niema ye o kana no ni niema ye pese ye no say anya bibi amfa so a through the friends and national dialogue on the economy na koju e be na maye.
But bra yenya National Development Planning Committee. I remember some more time. Nhyira Thompson.
Yeah, Nhyira Thompson.
Nhyira Thompson on one Saba. You can see 10 million, 100 billion. See I'm fine minute 40 years on. And I go for the J no to train. I'm fat.
Yeah.
And so I am thinking say Adentina Munya Munchishi based on John Mahama ne 4 years no na yenhwe answer because if say yemfa say 28 Ghana for say abre NDC no mo the MPP ba I am very sure say MPP for to ade momo gine no ho enye adwuma
kojo yes they all can ho ba unim the entire make sense say President Mahama me say we the most experienced person now what can I say wo hu niema e ha President Rollins niema ha President Kofo ne me so bae obetran chan niema de Kofo ne ababedu ba bia ya den yedu no kure wo mu ne say kojo we need to go by a plan. And you know where your manifesto NDC actually na because a fluid it can embrace bibia as a then and the national dialogue no a key because if we don't come on the same page near this say my manifesto but me baba be e no kwan makwa obi ba on ba be but at least for the first time I want to the mandate no amobi he has the mandate to rule but also okay mama me entrance and share can me go akwami ABCD Ubi wajin chibi on fama na yemfanya den yemfanka and no will be different from say ubi ba what be start again all over again It was hard, MY. But will be a could say, I want to risk maybe mandate, Namdi is hard, and that's exactly what President Mahama is proposing. Say, Yenya national dialogue on the finance economy.
In the economy, you name the what problematics on those you could share near Jenny because you name clear.
For once, Ubia Nimsi work, perennial economic affairs, the fundamental challenges. You're trying for over 2 years. Ubian fan and kind. But when you have an experienced person, the only way you be query. We have because I won't mean yet and I pass over here. Past affairs, finance minister. I mean, national dialogue was diversion tactics. Yes, because Obeka. Because don't be in our army address fundamental affairs issues. Then Yasanko Abisichi. And she said, if we be any Sanko doing the mayor Adiwi, Sabaya San go back to that point now. So won't Tiasia, we will ignore you, but you better defeat Nipen and Transnicama. You bet too much share on my way. I'm not one a bit in the 8 years as civilized Ghana City. It will never happen. And see that.
Yeah.
We need to go by a plan. The good thing of going by a plan is what shall I say? Maybe in the first 3 years, you realize that you are making progress that is sustainable, and that will motivate you. Say, "Well, plans in the umbiano, air
but unless you say a case, John Mahama, and so the nyome to Kwemuye Abua Momo party no, and maybe 8 years no, Yanfans almost that stability no ever, and we know based on experience say. Etore bia manpanyi bia te so after 2 years no and ida se ne hu ye him more awunya signals ne say one hu ya ne e baba beto atia no. So I am thinking that okay ya betina se ya bedwene ho, and I'm stating it because I remember Kufuado can say honestly say abuku no national day omude man amfa me yamu hye me pa because did yetimi amma before I say dwene 40 years and kayem fan senka road map we ba wa ba betam me. Then I come back to chapter 6 of the Constitution, directive principle of state policy, and it's very clear that unya manifesto to tell you what what's a woyema or mine. And so yes, there could be dialogue, but I think that I mean mo na munim there was some woyema ye economy ne ekoyi.
Oyonim the message see and say so one yet the American the over 4 years by the time I was editing na economy Jones. My memory example. But I want to say economy anyonism. President Kufu anyonism.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyonism.
Yeah.
A good for anyonism.
Yeah.
It tells you there's a fundamental problem.
And the engineer solve other than meeting.
No, it's a fundamental problem because you can't solve it even in 8 years. We need to understand that this is the problem. No, be answers into be a bar, Sir, prescriptions na yen na ya den. Ya agree no. You go by it because you anticipate a market on the wall. I say makaka. Ya anya sa de na. We are me say agrubi na yedi. Obi abe kono me beden. My prediction say between 2027 28. If you go the part na yekoya, we will go back to IMF. You be running a train program. Because fundamentally no na ma ko for them ever because 2 consecutive years ye trade surplus. In the region of about over $4 billion. Country when you trade surplus. In the region of over 4 billion. Now we're unemployment rate as high as over 15%. We see can't mean enough. What is that telling you? Trade surplus no, and they say Unyama record Bujukwede, Ecoton, a door to change the okra. But situation is Entin baby yedu. Me never come pet mama the count and say, look, dialogue like we are not going to point fingers at say when a man make you feel good and when you feel good and when Uncle Sensual Mantem, no by not getting the tour, we will be any day. Yen to say, oh man, in any timon, dear Yabe, let's accept the blame and move forward. Yes, sir, you bet much change Ghana in the next 10 years. Say anya kojo your problems no it will get deeper de bia na yeko.
And so John Mahama 4 years then na e was say utimi ka kire every say ye de ni enim ye prediction say the way our omina say drew no obi obe take over whether Baumi and John Mahama no ontimi mfa saa years no kra enye right now a day now John Mahama betimi aka kire Ghana for no because ye to abama no because ye expect say adwuma na oka ye na mo say adwuma wura no obeye ye to abama no say enioma bebre wo ho a especially adwuma de ono ankasa nim eno oka ne 24-hour economy meanwhile my treat him say 24-hour economy ni de beba be sesa nioma. But the reality nyina nim say sika na ye gie e wo man ni mu de boy ho bra no emfa the ya target say bia ye beji 270 billion Ghana cedis it meji just 155 billion the aka ni nyina na ye twan bosia kura na Donald Trump nso ate afasui mo aban so kura say omu nye to eto ni bi kura masi yi afiri ho e levi na sefo na na mo man ni sika no. So I am just asking a dear communication na John Mahama betimi dia Ghana for ati ase because I'm not sure say Ghana ni beti ase say monto bobo ase kakra ni ye hye nioma ompene
kodo yes ba woni bibi say we are no nim say adruwi doctor nim say adruwi no de mawo ena yare ni betimi aiden etu ase enu do ano a doctor and you can convince on ma wo de ebeso so aduna no aiden yare na no aiden amawo baby edu no say I can't crunch your problems you better with the bia. And that's what I'm saying, say dialogue no. We need to bring everybody on board. Civil society following identifiable groups, you know, TUC Omunina Amra. Mandate has been given to John Dominant Mahama and NDC. My name is experience what look, yeah, in fact one we say we will come back to where we are at the end of the 4 years. And today I say we ban no one young one we flek on so no ba no be we are no so fish no ba but there yenchen no say 10 bia problem say level 100 ba komran ko na adrisen level 400 na tin say my mama clear example mama part time ka say pam ko for every kwan say o mon ton de kwan there politics na ya fanyo kruma enne o say agiensem agiensem e say sa force gidigidi na yesi ebe pam we fe be kwado anya adwuma biem krum ha we need to find a new way of doing things and should serve as a clear example my say baby at Ghana in the case of Ghana no kwado if you don't agree to go by a plan I say agree in it but that plan no MPP for empene MPP for meboamo ebia sipen musia wo senchi MPP for ampene but in terms of this time no they me pese they can say look kwado ye say when e say we na mo no modern when e bobo shan kesi when e hwe nsugu ya yi sa je ni free mo now we want to believe as one people you tell me say baby edu no me yemfa bia no
so nim say enye possible enye adwuma sa
kwado ebe ye adwuma ana enye
adwuma because the way am MPP ni mo ndc ayi enye nipa ni nyina na dwene sa there's no way about me ankrofo be kase ye dwene John Mahama na onye omboa Ghana
ade also tia sense Ghana any MPP ni NDC for nkwa
basa na moye no
enti ma men ka sem ncho se Ghana ni bi to sisi ehun se there's a new way bia eba obeye komisa ade wa cha mfie du ana mfie num kwa ekoro ebetimi de ahota eden abenya they will continue voting for any panel because baby I do know we have become we anyi we have become we anyi we could a free 2000 is as a to aba a change government the same set of reasons now catch them boy unemployment high cost of living corruption CDA na fa kon so as a nation why the internet say you round in circles wa be nim say yare no anu aduni so be na person obeya we will do it because you say the results will show once you carry Ghana for in the last 8 years when you say you raise government revenue by 1% that the highest require is 0.4 it is the can say sikakwa ye den e was a reason yentimi and I want to more bosan fanye wadi here di na
and as you say cry me for cry mo amam warning say muntimi bosan $250 million
kojo economy na yitim bobosan fie mensan MP bom tim bobosan en fie mensan yentim mo 6 months kura
how
because of situation you mu and baby edu na was a chance say mo na was a jadi Se come beef na we see jare. Near the free education. And if it's a swamp for so let's sacrifice. So between October, November, but now church they face expensive sacrifice. Expensive sacrifice. Then I'm can say, and this is about power. I was make it expensive sacrifice. Say what is your best sacrifice near some Ghana. At least everybody will know the results because and then won't him not Ghana any baby. Okay, again say me make it just a quan ben and I'm so bedding. Ube kiti job when who say plan be at the buy no and then you get 100 a channel 50 the friend is 60 some plan no and then the ever be shine board there na obejedi and the baby you know a new way of doing things. We can't keep doing our things in the same old way no, and expect a new results and yet you baby asa and yet you baby asa
but Ghana ni no bepen
Ghana ni bepen Ghana ni si obia adwena abasoro. Because the problems na ye kwa ye ben na no so ubusa se entin what's man can edin say be adwuma 24 hours dey na nkofo enkan fa.
Yeah.
Yes, because they want to point to me say am pa dey na mo dey ba no e be ye adwuma say enye den enye adwuma.
Anti say work 24-hour economy na expectation ye high. Adwuma ho nsem mo se adwuma wura. Market can nyoma ni bebre a mo nyina mo so far I am impressed with Mahama nyoma ni bi wo ho a wa sha say which is fantastic. But you see, the point is that when you cut down the cost, which is good, but cutting down the cost, no, nipa no person sorry no po who say when you adwuma.
Yeah.
Right now, crowd mobile ye na mu yi bi e de crowd answer na ma dwene ho answer na mo do ma bay. So clearly, no, the expectations are higher. I'm not sure say the ordinary Ghanaian would understand. Say, yeah, sacrifice no, maintenance fee 4 years answer. Or per se sacrifice but onye adwuma ye.
Yes.
Or per se sacrifice by what say aduane na sebi or kotono ni bo wo fom o be so sacrifice because oko potter o person who say dollar no wo fom. I'm not sure say Ghana ni be prince say yes sacrificing intino ye mra na ye ho nkyere ye sa akopem say bia 4 years wo be ka say why foundation
no kojo ye nka say ye sacrifice na say ye trans say ye planning for Ghana intino
yeah
obi a ho nkyere no ye wo niema mako bi wa kojo ne ye no enye den say kwan fa say be ma cost of living here then above from what cut the cost now what cost of living here then and call from it depends on where cost now what cut no baby I put all this hard in a then a koshe now it may come back within a short period of time to show up the what friends economy no
right
and then you may pay why you na kwan back bi so a ya kojo intimate then enye yi maye these things be one better but we need to embrace them and no and I got any who some pay yes I we na afi enfiem you know and em shall say change ya
right
na mano ahonto so you say enfantuntin na ma president ni wura den aho
right
hope na e ho na say and ye share ade wiase no aha na yetim dia kodu e most like the action when we stay focused you betima sa ko anima ubia will come on board
all right
and ye nya ubia wa chi you need to bring all the people no
all right
on board
final message say care me yenya maso position be na opena yencha se enye hu didi
kodo obi ante ase se se aban bi wa ban ba power position ni obi a ne penya bi e bia enura no ye ma position because now o competence was needed and e bia situation I den a change and your competence now yenya den yenya eno nche se ye you free party no ana ye beta na wo mo ne nyanse because untim fanya den emwa
right
no ye nyina ye ntase sa o ma ye ma obi appointment na ye ntase say ye de ma we na ye mpinya bi na ye fence we nya bi no ye yes na ye undermine the intelligence of the president
right
ya to Obama no amna be flag bearer ya ginedi ya tan chair campaign amna be president ye gin this obey to take decisions on behalf until ye this position I dey and ye man so flexibility no
right
ni ye nya say na we nya bi na we no omunya chade no
nano ahia na beka say galamsey ho asem no wo ne wa ankasa wo party say galamsey no still asa bi wo ho an wo yini umayi umati wo ne nam ho
minu kuma me offer am akohene benya minister wa ma 2 week ultimatum
setamaso
mu aso no na bi adwen say so omuntu akopin 2 weeks say 2 weeks no fa pack wo ne ma na ye den me kan am say Ezra say wo ye ndisi no adwen say wa ban na abaso ana amakon we ya branch bi no da so na pana nanum ehuhu no na wo ka say galamsey no 2 weeks no ya wo de twen mena ni ho why ndisi ni me nwa adwen say wa ban na aba obi antwene ho mfiri ho obi ankopa adwuma nyo
Emendis ni bi anye galamsey.
Na kojo galamsey na wo ye no. E den fa so na ye nya free so. Ye nsuo ye bibie. Hwe na me the video be mamo. Kwa blane akwa akomadan sane so. Nsuo da ho no sane no. O change nsuo no kwan o. For no apparent reason.
Osisa no.
Wonsana ama nsuo no kwa sha se den. Nsuo na muntonton ni empampurumu a. E kota no south mu na 4 district no.
O se no.
Wo twa nsuo no kwan foforo de ato baabi.
Yawu.
Se de benti.
Yawu.
And we end this in one day, some by Mission Bay Galamsia, and you will be into Nanya Yekodo.
Jeff download mommy quickly.
Yam plan them pleasure. Yam plan them pleasure.
Men this in Ibia and you saw a galamsey.
No, Nagalam. Dear Santo Galamsey.
Sabia Naba Naba, no suit.
Debbie.
Tiemfa.
Sabaya share, say, quite a bit my first day. I in ye and Sassy and Sensua, I'm all for it. Yen yan dear, Kodu. Galamsey, 2 and you for be a day. In your fiso. And you don't want a yeduma, a juma be below. For the materials is here, and I'm sorry, no nanefa. My am went to wench my him shoot on the bet night. Me free a qua, make up twas. Now Benjamin con a yeduma. Ubian tries over for consider inside day, I ye baby.
The Binyata Mayesa had that discussion, so no.
But yes, sir. No, be on for 2 parties in Swa. But the Saturday, my window. And then that, you so any, I come on dance and soon, you know.
And I will be diverted. What blocking?
We're quite mentioned for floor. And you know, and so, and then I'm Pampulimu, and I'm Tontonum. And
on where see soon. One way, one say, Moon Nipano. You Nipano, and you're trying.
There you
never mean Bush almost who Nipa West Island. The moment you come on, we what if it's all Ubian.
Hey, there you.
And sure, son, so be on Nima Command and Biana,
well, say a quarter no south. The Chiman Tim now, and sure, a common Mosanomo. Blocking, which voices in a woman. Baby, you should be 20 are when you. Hey.
But it's zero.
Nanu yao, Quadu.
And soon baby was a fenin were blocking. Yes, because of Penisika.
So obey them or who? So, who dear Potenipan Babayo? Who check one from Mensuno.
Brow, I ever to us, you ever throw phone so. Bosso, 5 minutes.
After bank, and on